Okay, stage 2 of our doodle houses. You will have sewn your basic shape for your house part in place. And then the next stages is to be putting on our roof and our door. And then once those are in place, you can start to think about the other decoration that you want to have. Now you're going to need to go back to your plain drawing plan for the next bit to make some templates for your roof and your door. So this is my basic outline and plan for the one that I've started here. Now you can see I've got the roof, the door, I've planned where the windows are going to go and the trees and this little plant here. But more so when I was planning that, I was thinking what parts was going to use for buttons, what stitches, cross stitch or running stitch or a French knot, what different types of fabrics that I'd collected and that I might use as I was doing that quick outline. Now my next stage is to do my roof and my door. Now what you want to get is a piece of thin printing paper so that you can see your plan through that paper. And you're going to design and make yourself what we call templates. And I'm just going to draw with a pen, okay, tracing the roof design. Then I'm going to use paper scissors and I'm going to cut out from the paper that shape for my roof. I now will have a really simple template. Now I can put my design away to one side, and the fabric that I've chosen for my roof is this lovely pink fabric with different shapes on. I'm going to put my template close to the edge so I'm not wasting any fabric, and then I'm going to get my pins and I'm going to pin my template to my fabric like so. This will probably only need 2 pins so that template's not moving in a minute when I cut out. I'm then going to get the fabric scissors and I'm going to cut out around the fabric. And the fabric scissors, please be careful, they are really sharp, a lot sharper than paper scissors. And then put that to one side there, and there you have, I have my roof little shape ready there. Then what I will do is I will come back to my original background and where I've got my foreground, where I've got my embroidery ring. I'll place my roof in place and I will pin that down again, and again using a running stitch I will sew that into place. I will then do the same to make a template for my door and sew my door on. Like I've already got a little one cut out there ready, and I will pin those on and sew those 2 things on next. So that is my next stage, is to sew on my door and my roof. And at this stage, if I had on my plan another little house, I'd make sure I cut the templates out, put those shapes in place. Okay, that is stage 2. In the next tutorial, I'll show you stage 3, which is coming up with templates and plans to put on where all the other decorative parts are.